Hi there, students. Cardinal. A noun and an adjective. Cardinally, the adverb. Difficult to use, but we'll see. So, cardinal is a word of cardinal importance. So, cardinal, it means extremely important, of fundamental importance, something that's crucial or pivotal. So, the cardinal rule. You broke the cardinal rule. You got caught. Yeah? The cardinal rule is don't get caught. After that, well, there are other cardinal rules. On a map or in the world, north, south, east, west, these are the cardinal points, the cardinal directions. You could have a cardinal number, a natural number, as in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as opposed to the ordinal numbers, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, cardinal numbers. Ordinal numbers indicating relative position. And then cardinal. Cardinal's a colour as well. It's a bright red colour. Yeah? Like the cassock of a cardinal. Which brings me to the noun. Okay, a cardinal in the Roman Catholic Church is the highest rank there is below the Pope. So the Pope is number one, and the cardinals who wear this cardinal colour are the next level down, and the cardinals choose the Pope, and the Pope is always chosen from the group of cardinals. Okay, so this is a cardinal. There's also a type of bird called a cardinal. Yeah, it's a bird from the finch family. I think there's also a cardinal flower and a cardinal fish. Yeah, you can guess what colour they're going to be, this bright red colour. So I mentioned cardinally. I think that as an adverb, I think this word means fundamentally. So cardinally, this is all about money. Yeah. Okay, the cardinal point about it is making money. Cardinally, just an example. The cardinal sins, the most important sins, the fundamental sins that we can make in life. So, yeah, what are the cardinal sins? Gluttony, wrath, greed, well, I'm sure you can add some more cardinal sins for me. So, cardinal, a dark, deep, vivid red, a high-ranking church official, a bird, a cardinal number, yeah, of foremost importance, of paramount importance. So safety is cardinal. Safety is the most important thing. Yeah, it's absolutely top. Okay, so cardinal, key, central, fundamental. Yeah, this is of cardinal importance. Yeah, chief importance, main importance. It's essential. It's primary. It's paramount. So I think for a salesman, the cardinal rule is the customer is always right, especially when they're wrong. Okay, so cardinal. Your very high Roman Catholic priest, so the cardinals elect the Pope, a cardinal number 1, 2, 3, 4, a bright red-orange bird. I think there's a baseball team called the Cardinals. Cardinal, an adjective of great importance. Yeah, you made a cardinal error when you did this, and it means you're going to have great difficulty succeeding. Yeah, for primitive man, I think finding enough to eat was a cardinal worry. Okay, so cardinal, of the fundamental importance. So if you look at the map, north, south, east, west, these are the cardinal points because they're the most important points. Yeah, they're the main ones, the ones that I suppose define all other. Yeah, the cardinal rule, a rule that is the most important. Yeah, the highest, the greatest. Yeah, the something that's absolutely key. It's absolutely central. Okay, as to formality. I think I'm going to give this word a 5.5 in formality. Use it absolutely anywhere. I think it's just ever so slightly formal, ever so slightly literary, but you use it anywhere. Fundamental is probably slightly less formal. And then as to origin, I think the origin's quite interesting. Let's see, it comes from Latin, from cardinalis, which comes from cardo, a hinge. You know the thing that in a door, that you hang the door and it has a hinge. I'm sure many of you know this verb to hinge on. Well, this is the idea of cardo, cardinal. Yeah, it hinges on this. It's the most important thing. Yeah, so cardo, a hinge. Yeah, cardinalis, belonging to a hinge. So everything revolves around that. Okay, so cardinal. The basic meaning is the most important. A cardinal error. Yeah, the cardinal points of the compass, a cardinal numeral 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The cardinal who will become pope. Okay, so cardinal. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Cardinal. Cardinally.